Hello, traders. This is Ad Zeros, and hope you guys had a wonderful day. Today we had a wonderful day today. If we recall, if you have missed our pre-market trade, I would ask you to attend that trading session, and we had a wonderful day. We had a three different trades which I've called, which I've traded there, and which was an awesome success rate, 100% success rate today, which is a three trades which we've called on our small group for World Series day trading program. So I'm just going to walk you through the trade process, the the strategy, and for you to understand that how you can trade better in the future. And I think this is a very important lesson for everyone to learn. So now, if you the first trade, what we have traded is T. Let me walk you through the T. And T was, as you guys aware, the T was gapping up and had a very nice momentum in the pre-market. But if you go back and look at it around the 9 o'clock time, around the 9:30, you will notice that it was not doing much later on. So let me just quickly go to the 9 moving average, to the 9 o'clock. Okay, so now it is on the 9 o'clock now, and this is April 22nd here. Here you go. So now if you look at it here, and also I wanted to show you the same time the 5-minute chart. Just show you. Okay, it's not here. Okay, so let me show you here. So now if you look at the 5-minute, you will see here the two dodgy candle. If you look at it here, one and two, and at that time I was looking at it because it's making a close consolidation between this range. So what I was expecting, the moment it's gonna go over 3140, that was a trigger point where I said that you can take the half position 3135 and then you can add over 3140 and has a beautiful ride all the way up. And that exactly we have traded in a way. We have put the half position, full position, and as it's moving up for the to to the nice bull flags, and then we are taking profit. The moment it started struggling to move over 3170, and that's the time we have took a majority of a partial here, and then he again moved in just couple of cents, and then I said in the group that this is the time that you take a profit because it's not moving up and down, and then we have closed majority of the position around 3170. But if you look at it, that how it has been traded afterwards, not much. After another 15 minutes, he just went another 10 cents and then it's just drop seen. So that was the first trade we had, and it was very nice and interesting trade we had. The next one is an FSR. So FSR is very important. So let me show you the multi-time frame. I think this is important for you to learn on the multi-time frame because it's very important for you guys to look at the month. Uh, Daily is important for FSR. So on FSR, last 2 days was really green day, and today was a gap down day. And when it's a gap down, it was not, if you look at it here today, in the first 5 minutes, if you see here, it making a bear flag. So I saw this making a bear flag, but I was not interested in going into the bear flag because I was thinking that it's not going to give us a big momentum. But I guess I was wrong because if you look at it, it's almost give the 40-cent move, which was good enough for it. But then what I noticed is that it came down, move back up, and start consolidating on the previous resistance. And that is a very important and a bullish trend for you to learn because this is, remember, even though it's gapping down, but it was consolidating near the resistance. And then when it started doing this, now let me show you the 1-minute chart so you were able to see much better. So I took the first position, opening position here, I added when it break this resistance, which I was hoping is 3170, added. Then it consolidated back underneath over this resistance. I added more position, and my stop loss is this 3150. You see clearly there is a support here. It came down and then it's just moved back up, and it's almost a dollar move. We got it from here, and it's a one-way ticket. The moment it's started coming in, look at this. We easily got a moment $1 move here, and then the remaining shares I has basically stopped out here. So these were the two trades, and then the third trade what we have at the plug. If you notice, the plug was gapped up, but it was really selling in the morning, and then the moment what where I asked the trigger is, you look at it, it made the first bear flag because the market was coming down. It moved back up, came down, and this is a time. This is a time when I triggered is 2780. Let me show you the 1 minute chart for the better visibility. Let me just zoom in here, and you were able to see that much clearly, and clearly what I'm saying. Okay, so gapped up, came down, moved back up, and the moment it's came down here and it's make this bear flag, this is a place where I say, this is a perfect time to do a short. Do you see the 2770? And it came down, a nice move down, move back up, and then continuation in 2684. It's a beautiful trade. Those who have traded has a wonderful trade on it. So that's the way we have ended 3 out of 3 trades. Very nice trades we had in our session today. Hope you've enjoyed and learned about the day trading, and feel free to give us a feedback and let us know how do you like it. And if you wanted to see more videos, you definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can join me also on the pre-market review, where I do offer a free analysis, a free group, and you can also join us the free live trading with me. Thank you. Really appreciate if you give a thumbs up and like and subscribe to my channel.